Singapore airport. We just checked in. We're headed to Bangkok for about 5 days. I'm slightly worried because England just stepped down and everything, but we'll see how it goes. I'm actually quite pleased with the airport. I'm just using my iPhone right now, but I'll be using a camera later and I'll be showing you more of the airport and some of Bangkok as well. And maybe later on in the video, I'll go and show you some of Singapore's city skyline. Bummer actually. It was raining the day I decided to take a video of the Bay Area, so I might come back later when it's, you know, not pouring. It looks a lot better at night as well. This is the canal level of Marina Bay Sands, which is a really large icon here.
Just met a boy when he could come inside on my playpen, cause he looked like a superstar in the making. So I think that I'm going in for the taking.